Hey YouTube, this is a follow-up review to a video I did about 6 months ago. A lot of you had some questions. Some people wanted to know, do I still use it? Yes, I still use it every weekend. I do blue jeans. I've even done sheets. I'll just go ahead and get into it. As for t-shirts, some of you asked about that. There is a possibility that some t-shirts can get stretched out. So what I like to do is put them in one of these mesh bags. Really helps out, protects your delicates. And this one's just gonna be a small load just to show you guys. So once again, just a small load to show you guys an example of how it works. Usually go for about 9 minutes. Some other questions you guys had. Does it really increase my electric bill? Not that I've noticed. I do use an extension cord. Yes, the machine is available on Amazon. I'll link that description also. Some of you asked about lint catchers. This is something you can get on Amazon. They're about $1 or $2. You just toss them in there. It don't work that great, but as a backup, you should have one of these in your drain, just to catch any extra lint that drains out of the machine. If you had a removable shower head with a cord in your shower, that would really help with this process. As you can see, I just use a bucket, but it's pretty simple. This is a $100 machine. If you think about what people used to do back in the old days, they would just use a bucket and a washboard. So, this is just agitating your clothing in water with some soap. It's really all you need to do. If you guys want to do 1 rinse or 2 rinses, it's really up to you. You could do much bigger loads. For something this small, I generally just do 1 rinse unless the water still looks really dirty. When I do larger loads, I generally do 2 rinses. It's really up to you. I like to save water. So after you've rinsed to your heart's desire, transfer things over. Sometimes it works better if you don't put everything in the spin dryer at once, because it doesn't always do so well when you put a ton in there. It can shake the machine. Give it 2 or 3 minutes. When those are done, they're ready to come out, and you can hang these on a clothesline or drying rack. that's it. I'm gonna finish up this load, do a couple rinses, and be done with it. Basically, this is a $100 machine. It's not the best machine on earth, but it does a good job, you know? For $100, you're gonna save a little money, and you don't have to go to the laundromat. Okay, let's go. Come on.